So, hello guys, welcome to my video channel. For today, maglalaro tayo ng Impossible Squid Game that is Glass Bridge. So, let's go. This is way to guys. I'm just gonna go with the people or this. Oh god. Which? Guys, comment down below if which. So, I'm gonna go in there. Oh, no. Diba? Oh, no. Back again. Ako, punta na. Come on guys. Ako yung hero dito. So, ako yung pupunta. Diba? Ako yung hero dito. Diba? Ito naman sa inyo, ako yung hero eh. Oh, diba? Ako nga. Ito. Pabalik-balik lang tayo. Okay. Pabalik tayo. Hindi ko na alam nasa. Wala, ba't may helicopter? Ako wala. Robux ba yan? Ba't ka pa kasi umuna, te? Huli ka na. Bilisan mo. Balak ka na dyan. Dito, oh. Alam ko na to eh. Pero, kalimutan ka dito. Okay. Galing mo, te. Galing mo. Very good. I'm gonna clap you. Oh. I'm not the hero now. Your hero. Ito. Oh! Kinabahan ako doon. Okay. English or Spanish na tayo dito, guys. Oh, no. Okay. We are good. I'm just gonna go turn. But, I'm crying. No, I'm crying. Just take pride. Taking pride. None. Back muna tayo. Guys, no. Nasaan dito? Guys, comment down below. Kalimutan ko, guys. Ikaw? Ba't ka pasi muna? Pwede ba ta? No! Wala tayong Robux pambili, guys. Like, patong lipas na kaya, I'm a little patron with no friends. I got no Robux and I got no friends. If you want some Robux, hit the like button. And subscribe so I can make more friends. Oh, no. Alright, guys. That's it. Diyan na ako. Oo na, guys. Ang dami, guys. Ayoko na nito. Oh, God. Di ko alam. Yan ang sinabi ko. Okay? Galing mo, miss. Ito yung sa akin. Ito na naman. Pero ayaw ko pumunta. Ikaw na lang, sir. Dahil, girl. Hala ako sinabi, ha? I had a... I want the girls one. I want the purple one. Oh, sir. Galing mo, sir. I'm gonna clap. Oh! Clapping! Okay. That's what I thought. Now which of this? Somebody gonna help us? Bye-bye. Gonna go first. Come on, Bacon. The Princess Bacon. Is that your real name, Princess? Hi, Princess Bacon. Hi. First time outfit, right? No, she is. That is good. We're gonna wait. Guys, marami na tayo. At sino yung na? Buti na lang hindi ako pumunta doon. Oh no. Bye-bye. Okay, ano sunod? Sino? Girl, ikaw na lang, girl. Pati yung girl. Hindi na ako yung hero. Hindi na ako yung hero. Sasabihan ko nga, help! Help! Ooh! Help! Oh! So worthy. Oh, godness. Hindi ako ganun, guys. Ha? Laugh! I should say you come here. You come here. Cause nothing. Okay. Dito, miss. Told you. Sasabihan natin ng guys, tayo. I'm gonna be putting ko pa yan eh. I'm go first. Ah! Na. Pabalik-balik. Oh no, no, no. Okay, this is last one. Guys, if I failed her, I'm gonna this video ends. If I but I don't wanna get the video end, so you go first. I don't wanna be that the video ends, which wow, hero ka. You're the hero. Miss. Ganda mo, miss. Ha? Super. Sino una? Dami natin, tas walang pupunta doon. Ayaw na ayaw ko. Ikaw na lang, sir. Ikaw, Bacon. With the, ano to? Large rectangle. 300 times 250. Ilan yun, guys? 300 times 250. Comment down below. Dahil alam ko na andito. Yun lang I'm the hero! I saved today! Just kidding. Okay. Go first. Okay, who next? I'm gonna be next. I'm not gonna be next because I don't wanna let the video ends by just that. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Okay, who's first? I'm gonna go first. I'm scared. I'm scared that the video ends because I don't wanna get the video ends. If you win this, I'm gonna get my video ends. Okay, so there's 2 roll. I don't need to win and I don't need to jump to go in there. I don't need to fail this. You're the hero, Bacon. Yan kasi, yan yung natutunan nyo guys ha, huwag kayong magpauna. Pero kung magpaka-hero kayo, yan yung mga